Hello, friends. My name is Iva Kozlovska. I'm a founder and CEO at Qubit Labs company, and thank you for watching us. We recently was shooting a webinar about technology and our research, CRM technology, and got a lot of good feedbacks actually. That is why we decided to share more details about other types of technology and other location advices. We met with our customers and find solutions for them. So today our webinar will be about more Australian market. I will try to share information about most important and the famous technology in Australia, because we made some kind of research and realized that a lot of open position with the technical stacks. So for our Australian visitors, will be very useful to understand where actually they can to hire people to their team and increase team easily with a cost-effective model. So let me please share my screen with you, our presentation. Of course, I would like to say a couple of words about Qubit Labs to understand why we understand what we are talking about. We are a tough company on the market more than 7 years from now, working with customers around all the world and hire people for team, a complete team for them, small, medium size, and big teams from 1 person up to 100 people. That is why we have a list of locations we advise our customer to hire, depends of their budget, their time zone locations, their experience with technology, the expectations with experience from candidates, because some regions have more strong vintage expertise, some regions have more strong game expertise. So we try, before we start collaboration, we try to help customer to understand which location better for them individually. So that is why we had a customer from Australia and found solution for them. And that is why we're here now today. So today during our video, I would like to share more details about this technology you can see on our screen, .NET, C++, CSharp, SAP, Azure, Oracle, and Spotify. Because as I mentioned before, we found a lot of open position on Australian market, this technical step. So start from .NET developers. We can see that top 3 locations to hire .NET developers is Ukraine, Poland, and Romania, which is like great locations for you. Of course, we have Bulgaria and Kazakhstan and Azerbaijan as well, but top 3, Ukraine, Romania, and Poland. On this slide, you can see salary expectations by level tiers for that position, junior, middle, senior, and this is the range we found in internet and compare it with what we heard from actual real candidates, the expectations, because unfortunately, all resources we check online about salary numbers are not always correct, because the resources can update information all the time, and salary market changing very fast. That is why we compare numbers with actual real expectations, what we hear from candidates. So we try to find what is the real situation, because sometimes our customer can check our resource and see that a little bit difference from what they say on job sites and what they see from in our research. That is why I try to explain that yes, it's a little bit can be different just because we have real expectations from candidates. That is why we show you real numbers, not from internet, old school, like 1 year ago numbers, not actual for now, for today, market changing very fast. So our next technology is CSharp. We can see here that 2 locations on top, it's Ukraine and Poland, which will be advisable to hire from set locations. You can actually see in our researchers taxes as well, and you will understand why we choose this list of locations, because of tax offer. Yeah, so if you're looking for C#, please attract attention on these 2 locations for yourself. Actually, would like to add that this is location with different time zone areas. That's why became more flexible to hire people from US and for uh, Australian. That is why a lot of our customer from first stage of collaboration was afraid about issues, time zone issues, because it's like in Europe, they started in Australia already finished. But we actually don't meet this issue at all in process when we hire people, because from scratch we discuss the time schedule, and as usual, they can able to start work earlier than as usual. We are working in IT and everything pretty flexible. That is why we can understand customer needs and find best location for you. Here on this side slide, you can find C++ expertise, and again, Ukraine and Poland on top. It's not me, it's just situation in the market, honestly. So please attract attention. Azure developers. Azure developers, pretty same situation. We advise to when you choose location, when you're able to hire, we advise to take attention on your long-term goals. So if you need like next year, you need to add like 2 or 3 people to your team, it's not critical. That is why you can choose a location. You can see and find which is works better for you with budgets and everything. But if you potentially will have needs with 10 plus, and you understand that you need to have location where you can hire people easily. So better to choose that countries where a lot of expertise, so you will not meet any issues when you need to increase your team very fast with good experienced people. Oracle expertise, same situation. Again, would like to tell that if you did have time to see all details in our slides, because I'm pretty fast in my videos, just you can contact us through our website, and we will send you this presentation. If you need more details or different technology research, please feel free to contact us. We will do research in a couple of working days. You will have situation about your own needs. SAP, Romania, Poland and Romania now on the top. Yeah, unfortunately, different locations not that famous with SAP technology and expertise. And last one for today is Spotify. So we can see that we have 4 actual locations. So you can hire from Ukraine, Armenia, Bulgaria, and Poland. So pretty safe. Okay. Yeah, it's like that's what I said when I started this webinar, was that some locations famous with vintage, some with games. So these 4 locations famous for ASP.NET and Microsoft technologies actually, and Spotify. If we will take different location, different technology, we can see a totally different situation with locations. That is why please book free consultation call on our website, or just send us your needs with job descriptions, and we will make research for you, so you will understand better which options works for you with your technology needs. And thank you for watching us. I hope this information will be useful for you and your company. Have a great day, evening, and please feel free to connect us if you have more questions.